Greetings. My name is Kevin Dembe, the founder of Getting Power Forex. So today I'm actually in my hometown in the rural areas. Just thought I should just do this quick video for you guys, especially meant for beginners, right? So that I can actually kind of like tell you guys there was the steps that I took in order to actually overcome the blowing of accounts, understand, and actually start my forex trading career in a good state and be profitable at the end. So let me just take you through that, right? So guys, first things first, I know you guys, a lot of you guys actually see stuff on Instagram and on YouTube. You actually see somebody like flipping account, you actually see somebody making a lot of money, and then after that you actually want to kind of like start forex trading because you've seen that, and then you want to actually start trading so that you can make the similar amount of money that person made, right? So that's the case with you guys, right? So I just want to clarify something with you guys. Learn to mind your own business, right? Because not everything that you see in the internet is true, right? For instance, if I can actually kind of like begin with the blowing of accounts, how to go about kind of like overcoming the blowing and then be profitable at the end and maintaining consistency, right? So I would just like to actually start by this. Back in the days, before I actually started trading big time, I used to actually focus on currency pairs, and then I was blowing, man. I was blowing multiple times. I was blowing, and then after some time, I actually became profitable, right? Trading currency pairs, right? And then later on, I actually started trading Nasdaq now, right? But one thing that I've realized is this. There was this particular account which I actually traded for the entire month, and then towards month end I actually kind of like placed a Nasdaq trade. But to my own surprise, guys, it took one Nasdaq trade to actually wipe the entire progress of the account. So that's when I've learned that okay, as a trader, you need to have separate accounts. You can't trade currency pairs and Nasdaq in the same account, right? Because truth is, currency pairs move slow, and then Nasdaq moves fast. So have you ever seen that there was this point whereby you actually trading a currency pairs account using lot size 0.01, and then you actually trade a Nasdaq account using lot size 0.01. When you're trading currency pairs, have you actually noticed that maybe it can actually take you about 2 days if there are no strong fundamentals? It can actually take you about 2 days to move from to actually use a lot size 0.01 to go to minus 30, right? It can actually take you about even 4 days for you to actually kind of like see that situation. But it's different when it comes to Nasdaq. With Nasdaq, man, within a blink of an eye, within a few minutes, boom, 0.01 like just go straight to $100. Basically, it's faster than currency pairs, you understand? So like indices and currency pairs is two different things. One thing that I've learned that I can actually advise you guys to do again is to always separate the account you actually trading with currency pairs and Nasdaq. You understand? Currency pairs like different account. Nasdaq, your basically your indices. It's a separate account. Don't be fooled. You see, guys, I'll just be honest with you. Nobody can just trade Nasdaq and USDT like 100% and be profitable like the whole month. What you see on Instagram is not true. What you see on YouTube is not true, right? Because when you actually just go all in and actually kind of like expect to be making 100% money in Nasdaq or USDT, already, man, you're actually starting from a wrong state of mind now. You understand? And then I wouldn't blame you guys, because it's the way that people who are actually fake promote their stuff, right? So like one thing that I can actually tell you guys, you can never be 100% profitable with USDT and Nasdaq. You can never do that, okay, right? And then the other thing, I want you to specify this. You need to trade indices with mind that you're 100% willing to lose. I'm not saying that you kind of like always lose your money. That's not the case, but you need to put money that you're 100% willing to lose. You understand? Because it moves fast. But then with currency pairs, once you master currency pairs and actually do everything with currency pairs, guys, it's possible for you to actually grow your account. They don't move as fast as what your USD and Nasdaq etc. So that's why you'll actually see a mentor on Instagram or what YouTube, always posting blues after blues after blues, profits after profits, profits after profits. But then when it's time for you to actually undergo the mentorship, you actually take the mentorship or whatever that they offer, right? Or systems or robots or anything. But then in reality now, you actually start blowing accounts after blowing accounts, right? So like, the point is, what they actually kind of like show on social media is not true based on what is happening in real life in the market, right? So first things first, guys. Don't ever believe anyone telling you that you can just make money 100% with Nasdaq and USD. No, it doesn't work like that. So learn to mind your own business, right? Here I am giving you the advice, right? First things first. Invest your time in currency pairs. Forget about who's actually progressing fast. Forget about that. Who's actually making a lot of money or something. Forget about that. Focus on yourself, right? Focus on yourself. Start with what currency pairs. You become profitable. Maybe like reach a stage whereby you're just constantly making money. Maybe like $1,000 a month or $2,000 a month. Then once you do that, you're good now. Start another account, then start trading Nasdaq, USDT without focusing on what the next person is making. You understand? If the next person is busy making 100,000, just focus on yourself. Be busy with those $100 account. You understand? Just push. Remember this. Can you actually please take note of this, right? In the market, man, you need to chase consistency. You understand? You need to be somebody who's trading consistency. You understand? Because gamblers never last. You understand? So like, it's a matter of chasing consistency, and then if you're chasing gambling, then it's a big story. So if you're just gonna come in the market and then just go straight for Nasdaq, you've never made money. You just know you actually like you don't know anything about trading, and then you just go straight for Nasdaq or USD because you've seen somebody on Instagram posting profits after profits every day, claiming that they actually don't take losses. You are lost because already, man, that's just a misleading information. But then I know maybe like most of you guys didn't know this, but now that you know, right, I hope you guys won't follow the lies and everything. There is possible blowing in Nasdaq and USD, but with currency pairs, yes, there is possible blowing with currency pairs, but it's better to actually start your journey trading currency pairs and actually trading things that don't move fast, understand? And then after that, once you're starting making money now with currency pairs, maybe you're busy making 1,000 something, 2,000 profits, then now you can actually begin trading your USDT and Nasdaq etc. You see, at that point, man, imagine if you're actually making about maybe 2,000 USD in currency pairs, and then maybe you actually put maybe $100 on currency pairs, or Nasdaq, then you blow. Trust me, you won't care. In a sense, you actually like kind of like continue like with your journey, and then maybe you actually come back tomorrow, you deposit 50, you blow, you actually learn, right? You learn, and then at that point you're busy making money with currency pairs rather than just going straight for Nasdaq and USD, and then you're just blowing after blowing, no backup. You see, depression after depression. So like what you see on Instagram is not what you get in real life, right? So like learn to focus on your own stuff, on your own progress. Then that's gonna help you a lot, guys. So I hope maybe like the advices that I actually gave today will actually kind of like help you guys as to beginning your trading career and actually maintaining profitability. As a new trader, remember, I'm actually doing this video for new traders, understand? So like who are actually confused as to what should I start trading with and stuff, understand? So like, yes man, Nasdaq has a lot of money, US30 has a lot of money, to a point whereby I can actually, for example, like maybe grow $100 account, and then maybe it takes me 30 days to actually make 2,000 USD from that $100 account. And then with Nasdaq, it can actually take you less than an hour to shift to actually shift $100 to $2,000, understand? So like, but don't just start there, because if you actually start with Nasdaq trades or US30 trades, trust me man, you're gonna lose a lot of money. Remember, you are not yet profitable. You actually don't have a working plan right now. So first things first, that way is easy, and then after that, you actually get to the top. Remember, not like people don't actually like start at the top, right? You actually start at the bottom. So focus on yourself and focus on your own growth. In that's where you kind of like see what consistency in your trading and stuff. And then again, I want actually leave this out. I'm a semi-automated trader. I will clear guys. So like, if you haven't checked those videos where I'm explaining everything as to what is a semi-automated trader, how is semi-automated trading done, just go back and actually check the other videos that I've actually kind of like posted before, and then actually watch those videos and enjoy. And then if ever you actually need our help as to how I actually maintain profitability and stuff, you actually get us on WhatsApp, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Our numbers are there. So anyway man, all the best to all the upcoming traders. I hope this video that I made today is actually going to help you guys change your trading career and actually focus on yourself. So anything is possible. Just keep on grinding, just keep on pushing. One love.